Welcome to K-pop quiz. Same versus drop. K-pop quiz again. Are you ready? Let's start. Round number 1. Hyunjin from Stray Kids versus Felix from Stray Kids. Kai from EXO versus Bangchan from Stray Kids. Lisa from Blackpink versus Jisoo from Blackpink. Daniel from New Jeans versus Minji from New Jeans. Yeji from ITZY versus Ryujin from ITZY. Bomgyu from TXT versus Yeonjun from TXT. Jihyo from Twice, Nayeon from Twice. Sunghoon from ENHYPEN versus Hisa from ENHYPEN. Jake from ENHYPEN versus Jay from ENHYPEN. Aram from BTS versus Jin from BTS. Lee Han from Boy Next Door versus Woonhak from Boy Next Door. San from ATEEZ versus Jang Ha from Zero Base One. Baekhyun from EXO versus Gunwook from Zero Base One. Remu from Boy Next Door versus Jaehyun from Boy Next Door. Jimin from BTS versus V from the same group BTS. Sangmin from Stray Kids versus Jangwon from ENHYPEN. Lino from Stray Kids versus Hyunjin from the same group Stray Kids. Hoshi from 17 versus Hongjoong from ATEEZ. Sungkwan from 17 versus Bangchan from Stray Kids. Lee Tak from Super Junior versus Baekhyun from EXO. Sangmin from Stray Kids versus Lino from Stray Kids. The 8 from 17 versus Mingyu from 17. Karina from aespa versus Yeji from ITZY. Sunu from ENHYPEN versus Jay from ENHYPEN. The 8 from 17 versus Hisa from ENHYPEN. Jake from ENHYPEN versus Nikki from ENHYPEN. Hanbin from Zero Base One versus Ricky from Zero Base One. Subin from TXT versus Hyunjin from Stray Kids. Rose from Blackpink versus Jennie from Blackpink. Jay from ENHYPEN versus Nicki from ENHYPEN. Kai from EXO versus Hongjoong from ATEEZ. The 8 from 17 versus Yeonjun from TXT. Jimin from BTS versus Jungkook from BTS. Hyunjin from Stray Kids versus Han from Stray Kids. Moonbyul from Mamamoo versus Solar from the same group Mamamoo. Jake from ENHYPEN versus Sunghoon from ENHYPEN. Dino from 17 versus Han from Stray Kids. Lee Han from Boy Next Door versus Bunha from Boy Next Door. J Park is a soloist versus Jang Hao from Zero Base One. Bamba from GOT7 versus Jackson Wang from GOT7. Gaul from I versus Hani from New Jeans. Momo from Twice versus Sakura from Les Seraphim. Giselle from aespa versus Aisha from Everglow. Woobin from Gravity versus Wonjin from Gravity. Jinyoung from GOT7 versus Lee Tak from Super Junior. Xiumin from EXO versus Chen from EXO. Sunu from ENHYPEN versus Baekhyun from EXO. Jun from 17 versus Vernon from 17. Bangchan from Stray Kids versus Changbin from Stray Kids. Hongjoong from ATEEZ versus Wooyoung from ATEEZ. Sunghoon from ENHYPEN versus Han from Stray Kids. Serim from Gravity versus Taesan from Boy Next Door. Dara Park from 2NE1 versus Joy from Red Velvet. Cheryong from ITZY versus Sua from Dreamcatcher. Wonyoung from I versus Karina from aespa. Joshua from 17 versus Hyuninkai from TXT. S-Cooks from 17 versus Jangmin from Stray Kids. Woobin from Gravity versus Suho from EXO. Lino from Stray Kids versus Woozy from 17. Gio from Dreamcatcher versus Irain from Red Velvet. Dami from Dreamcatcher versus Jeongyeon from Twice. Handong from Dreamcatcher versus Seulgi from Red Velvet. Jun from 17 versus Bombgyu from TXT. Bombgyu from TXT versus Sobin from TXT. Mingyu from 17 versus Nikki from Enhypen. Chaewon from Le Sserafim versus Kazuha from Le Sserafim. Hoshi from 17 versus Joshua from 17. Ruka from Baby Monster versus Onda from Avaglow. DK from 17 versus Suho from EXO. Felix from Stray Kids versus Bang Chan from Stray Kids. Rivu from Boy Next Door versus Suho from EXO. Unkwang from B2B versus Jong Ho from ATEEZ. Jin from BTS versus J-Hope from BTS. Lee Han from Boy Next Door versus Songhwa from ATEEZ. IU is a soloist versus Rose, who is from Blackpink. Songhwa from ATEEZ versus Jang Hao from Zero Base One. Haewon from Anmix versus Cheon from ITZY. Miyeon from G-Idol versus Jaeyoung from